In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite attendees to an Outlook meeting, whether you're scheduling a team sync, client call, or virtual conference. This tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is perfect for anyone who needs to coordinate meetings efficiently and ensure everyone receives a proper calendar invitation. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook loads, click the calendar icon located in the bottom left corner of your window. This will take you to your calendar view where you can see all your scheduled events and meetings. Next, select New Event or New Meeting in the top left corner of the calendar interface. This button will open up a new meeting creation window where you can configure all the details for your upcoming meeting. Now, it's time to fill in the basic meeting information. Give your meeting a clear and descriptive title so attendees know exactly what the meeting is about. Then set the date and time by clicking on the appropriate fields and selecting when you want the meeting to occur. Add a location if you're meeting in person, or toggle the option to make it a Microsoft Teams meeting if you want it to be virtual. This flexibility allows you to create both in-person and online meetings depending on your needs. Now comes the important part, inviting your attendees. Type the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite in the Invite Required Attendees box. As you start typing, Outlook will suggest contacts from your address book, making it quick and easy to add people. You can also find available times by using the Scheduling Assistant feature, which shows you when all participants are free. This helps you avoid scheduling conflicts. You can add attendees as either required or optional, depending on how essential their attendance is to the meeting. Once you've added all your attendees, write a message or agenda in the body of the meeting invitation. This is where you can provide context, share the meeting objectives, attach relevant documents, or include a detailed agenda so everyone comes prepared. Finally, click Send. The moment you click Send, the meeting invitation will be delivered to all recipients via email and will automatically appear on their Outlook calendars. The recipients will receive an invitation to attend the meeting, and they can accept, decline, or propose a new time based on their availability. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to invite attendees to an Outlook meeting. This process makes scheduling collaborative meetings simple and ensures everyone stays on the same page. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more productivity tutorials.